For this strategy, you need 200 EMA, okay, and then you need extreme trend indicator. So type extreme here. Okay, it's this one. So the setting is default. Don't change anything. And then you need RSI. Okay, it's this one. So the setting is the length is 10. And then I remove the MA here and change the color of it. Okay, so for buy, you want the price to be above 200 EMA and the extreme trend to be blue. And then you wait for RSI, okay, to drop below the 50 line. Okay, it dropped below the 50 line here. Okay, you see the number here. Okay, drop below 49 and it goes back up. So this is our buy. Okay, it goes down below 50 and it goes back up. Okay, so this is our buy here. So your stop loss is logical swing low. Okay, so you can target 1 to 2. All right, so here we have another buy. Okay, it drops below 50 here. Okay, the RSI. Okay, and it goes back up here. Okay, so that's our buy. So you can buy here. So your stop loss is really up to you. So let's say it's here, around here. So you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. All right. Okay, so for sell, you want the price to be below 200 EMA and the extreme trend to be orange. And basically, you wait for RSI to go above the 50 line, okay, the middle line here, the 50 line. All right, it goes above that here, and then it goes back down to below 50. So that's our sell. All right, so your sell is, okay, let's say it's the stop loss is the last swing high. So it's very subjective. Okay, so you can target 1 to 2. And here, and then you have another signal here if you miss it. Okay, you have signal here. And then, let's see. Okay, the price go above the 50 line. Okay, and then it goes back down. All right. Okay, it goes back down here. The Xtrend is orange and the price below 200 EMA. So your stop loss is right there. And you can target 1 to 2. Okay. So, and then we see, okay, here. Okay, the RSI goes above the 50 line and then it goes back down. All right, so that's our sell. So the stop loss is very subjective. You can do here or here. Okay, so you can target 1 to 2 or whatever risk reward you want. All right, so if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks.